Giving John Travolta his flowers now. Youngest of 6, his journey began. A boy with a fire, a fan of the grand. Welcome back, Cotter, the show that propelled John Travolta's talent effortlessly upheld. With charm and wit, his character shone. Sweat-hog dreams, forever etched in stone. But it was Grease that truly made him soar. Danny Zuko, the role we all adore. A leather jacket and moves so smooth. John danced his way into our groove. Saturday Night Fever, his iconic stride. With every step, he took us for a ride. A legend, he became in Hollywood's gaze. A star that forever continues to blaze. John Travolta, a name we won't forget. A talent that leaves us forever in debt. A son of Englewood, a legacy's rhyme. John Travolta, forever an icon of our time. We love you, John.
Giving Oprah Winfrey her flowers now. In a world where shadows fall, there lived a girl, both brave and small. Her skin, a rich and ebony hue. A heart so pure, dreams shining through. Born in a place where dreams were rare, she faced the struggles, the burdens to bear. With tattered clothes and worn-out shoes, she danced through life, refusing to lose. For she knew her worth, her strength untold. A power that poverty couldn't withhold. In books she found solace, worlds to explore. Knowledge her weapon, her spirit to soar. She dreamed of a future painted in gold, where dreams were valued and stories were told. With passion as her guiding light, she fought for justice, equality in sight. Empowered by her struggles, she became a voice, an inspiration, a symbol of choice. She reminded the world of its profound mistake, to overlook the potential that poverty couldn't break. So, let this poem be a tribute to her, a testament to her spirit, her character. For in the tapestry of life, we're all connected, bound by humanity, by love and respected. And though her journey might have seemed unfair, she thrived with grace, a symbol of hope and care.
Giving Oprah her flowers now. We love you, Oprah.
Giving Meryl Streep her flowers now.
Meryl Streep, a name to admire. An actress of depth, setting hearts afire. Versatility her gift, a chameleon she's known. Transforming effortlessly, like seeds being sown. From accents to emotions, she weaves her spell. Inhabiting characters, each story she'll tell. The best actress of her generation, they say. A title well earned, with each role she portrays. Her stage a canvas, where dreams come alive. Her performances, a testament to her drive. From Meryl to Margaret, her range knows no bounds. With each character, a new layer she surrounds. The screen her playground, where magic takes flight. Through her craft, she illuminates the night. With every performance, she leaves us in awe. Her artistry unmatched, she breaks through the flaw. Mary Louise Streep, a legend, forever remains. A beacon of talent, public heart she obtained. Giving Meryl Streep her flowers now. We love you, Meryl. Giving Denzel Washington his flowers now. By Scotty A.
From humble roots, a spirit aflame. Denzel, a soul with an undying aim. Born months struggles in a world so tough. He dreamed of stars while life seemed rough. Through auditions and rejections unkind, he never faltered with unwavering mind. And then, like a phoenix, he soared high. His brilliance, undeniable, caught every eye. Hollywood's embrace, a dream come true. From rags to riches, a metamorphosis anew. From humble beginnings, he did arise. A testament to dreams that touch the skies. Denzel Washington, a star so grand. A living proof, dreams can withstand. From poverty's grip to Hollywood's reign. Denzel's triumph, an eternal flame.
We love you, Denzel.
Giving Shaquille O'Neal his flowers now.
In the realm of giants, a legend arose. With prowess unmatched, his talent he shows. With strength and power, he ruled the paint. A dominating presence, no foe could taint. His thunderous dunks, a spectacle of might. The hoop would tremble, the crowd's pure delight. Beyond the court, a charismatic soul. With humor and charm, his charisma unfolds. A larger-than-life personality embraced. Connecting with people, leaving hearts embraced. An icon, a hero, a man of great size. But a gentle giant, with peace in his eyes. Shaquille O'Neal, a towering star. His impact resounds, both near and far. In the annals of basketball, his legacy gleams. A legend forever, in our hoops dreams.
Giving Shaq his flowers now. We love you, Shaquille.
Giving Willie Nelson his flowers now. Giving Willie Nelson his flowers now. With his natural voice and a guitar in hand, Willie Nelson, the outlaw, forever will stand. From honky-tonk taverns to grand stage, outlaw spirit, rebel heart brigade. With braids of silver, eyes of time, he captures our souls with lyrics that climb. From crazy to on the road again. Willie Nelson, a legend, his legacy unwinds, a testament to artistry that forever binds. May his melody soar to the highest peak. Willie Nelson, forever God to keep. We love you, Willie.
Giving Dolly Parton her flowers now.
Dolly Parton, the country queen. With melodies that touch the soul unseen. In the hills of Tennessee, a star was born. Beautiful as can be, a voice adorned. From humble roots, she emerged so strong. A pioneer, breaking boundaries along. From a young age, she strummed her guitar. Her music echoing like a distant star. Dolly's voice, a perfect blend. Country and pop, a genre to transcend. Dolly Parton, an icon, a legend so grand. Her music timeless, across every land. Her philanthropy and kindness, shining bright. A beacon of hope, a guiding light. So let us celebrate this woman so true. Dolly Parton, we're grateful for you. Your music, your spirit, forever endure. A country pop legacy, forever pure.
We love you, Dolly.
Giving Angela Bassett her flowers now.
In the heart of the city that never sleeps, a star was born, her talent runs deep. Angela Bassett, a name we hold dear, an actress supreme, bringing characters near. With grace and prowess, she commands the stage. Her presence captivating, like words on a page. Golden Globe laurels adorned her path, a testament to her skill and heartfelt craft. A Golden Globe and an Oscar nod in her hand. A performance that resonates, a true command. Her love for the Jackson 5, a passion untamed. Their music aflame, her heart unashamed. From cheerleading days to the Yale School of Drama, she honed her craft, shaping her acting armor. With every role, she breathes life anew. A chameleon, transforming, her range shining through. Angela Bassett, an icon, an actress so grand. Her legacy etched in the stars, across the land.
We love you, Angela.
Regalando Flores a Edward James Olmos Ora.
Edward James Olmos, su nombre toma vuelo. Un mexicano estadounidense, una luz de guía. Con gracia y destreza, adorna el escenario. Su presencia imponente como un sabio antiguo. Desde Stand and Deliver hasta Battlestar Galactica, cautiva corazones, un enigma artístico. Da vida a los personajes, una devoción atemporal. Una voz para los sin voz, su corazón nunca falla. Más allá de los focos, su activismo se impone. Herencia mexicoamericana, motivo de orgullo. Así que aplaudamos a este hombre extraordinario, cuyas contribuciones continúan abarcando, a través de su arte, su defensa, la sinfonía de su alma. Edward James Olmos, una leyenda para la eternidad.
Nosotros te amamos Olmos.
Regalándole flores a Gloria Estefan ahora.
Un cantante, compositor y mucho más. Su talento y pasión, una tienda sin fin. Gloria Estefan, un nombre tan brillante. Una joya cubanoamericana, una luz radiante. Con una voz que se elevó como una paloma matutina. Gloria encantó los corazones con canciones de amor. De las calles de Miami a la aclamación mundial. Sus melodías resonaron, encendiendo la llama. La gloria de Grammy la adornó con gracia. 8 tesoros dorados, un abrazo celestial. Uno de los más grandes artistas, aclaman. Un lugar en la historia, su nombre reclamará. Su espíritu y alma por siempre vivos. En los corazones de millones, sus canciones sobreviven. Escribió 2 libros para niños, una búsqueda deliciosa. Inspirando mentes jóvenes, dejándolos verdaderamente bendecidos. Gloria Estefan, una divinidad lumbrera. Su legado trasciende las manos del tiempo. Gloria Estefan, una leyenda por derecho propio, su arte y espíritu, siempre en vuelo.
GiveThemTheirFlowersNow.com